If you want to speed up your SketchUp modeling, one of the most useful tools you need to master is push and pull. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use push and pull in SketchUp, from the basic movement all the way to precise measurements using the value control box. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more SketchUp tips and beginner-friendly tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's cover the basic idea behind push and pull. This tool is used to turn flat 2D faces into 3D shapes. So instead of just looking at a surface, you can create depth, thickness, walls, blocks, boards, and all kinds of model details. It is one of the fastest ways to build in SketchUp, and once you understand how it works, it becomes second nature. To start using it, you can either press P on your keyboard or click the push-pull icon in the toolbar. Both methods open the same tool, so choose whichever is easier for you. If you're using the keyboard shortcut, it usually saves a lot of time, especially when you're modeling quickly. Next, move your mouse over the face you want to edit. When SketchUp detects a valid face, it will highlight or dotted outline the surface to show that it is ready. This is important because push and pull only works on faces, not on random lines or edges. So if nothing is happening, make sure you're actually hovering over a face and not just the border. Once the face is highlighted, click one time to begin the action. After that, move your mouse in the direction you want. If you move outward, you are pulling the face out to add volume. If you move inward, you are pushing the face in to cut into the model. You'll notice the shape changing live as you move the mouse, which makes it very easy to preview the result before confirming it. When the face looks right, click again to finish the operation. At that point, SketchUp will lock in the new 3D shape. So in simple terms, it's click once to start, move to shape it, and click again to complete it. That's the basic workflow you'll use over and over again. Now let's talk about precision, because sometimes you don't just want a face to move roughly, you want an exact measurement. For example, maybe you need a wall to be exactly 10 feet tall, or a board to be exactly 2 inches thick. That's where SketchUp's measurement system becomes incredibly useful. To do that, first start the push/pull action just like before. Select the face, click to begin, and move the mouse in the direction you want. While you're still in the tool, just type the dimension you want. You do not need to click inside the measurement box. In fact, SketchUp automatically picks up the value you type on the keyboard. For example, if you want the face to extend 10 feet, type 10 feet and press Enter. If you want it to be 2 inches, type 2 inches and press Enter. SketchUp will immediately apply that exact distance. This is one of the fastest ways to model accurately, especially when you're building architectural elements or measured objects. A great tip here is to always pay attention to the units your model is using. If your file is set up in feet and inches, typing those values is very straightforward. If you're working in millimeters or meters, you can still type the exact number you need. The important thing is that SketchUp listens to what you type at the moment you're using the tool, so you can stay focused on modeling instead of manually guessing distances. If you ever make a mistake, don't worry. You can usually undo the last action with Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac. That makes it easy to experiment while you learn. Push and pull is very forgiving once you get used to it, and the more you practice, the easier it becomes to create clean, accurate 3D forms. Another thing to remember is that push and pull is perfect for repetitive modeling tasks. You can create walls, extrude floor plans, raise platforms, carve openings, or give objects thickness in just a few clicks. Instead of drawing everything from scratch, this tool helps you transform basic geometry into a finished model much faster. So to quickly recap, press P or choose the push/pull tool. Hover over a face until it highlights, click to start, move your mouse to push or pull, and click again to finish. If you need an exact size, just type the measurement while the tool is active and press Enter. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you understand push and pull in SketchUp, please hit the like button, subscribe for more SketchUp how-to videos, and leave a comment if you want more beginner tips or modeling shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.